4 a.m. putting on my shoes. Gotta get outside, gotta leave this room. There's just too many things that remind me of you. The empty streets light up a neon sign. Always give me some peace of mind, but they don't seem to work tonight. You said you need time to give it some rest. It would be alright, but now our time is up. All we've built those years, the mistakes we've made, the lessons we've learned, can't just be in vain. No, I don't want us to become a memory. I can't just let go and walk away. I need you to stay.
Good afternoon. I need to open my mic for this. Otherwise no one can see what I do. It's September 6th and it's another session of live coding. Today with Fish Studio. And what I'm going to do today is to test Fish Studio Refactoring made easy with IntelliCode, a new feature in Fish Studio. The latest preview 3, but I will get back on that soon. But first let's start the show. Hello, there we are again. What I want to do today is a little bit different than the other days. I got a tweet from the Fish Studio team. Let's open my tweet deck. And it was all about this one. Refactoring made easy with IntelliCode. And there's a link on this. Open it in the other window. There you have it. A blog post by Mark, and this is an old friend of mine in the Microsoft Office team. We go way back. We've met years ago in Redmond because I found a bug in one of the Office add-in tools, like Fish Studio tools for Office was an issue. Mark, Wilson, Thomas helped me with that to fix it, and but he has this time a blog post. Let's close the header here. Refactoring made easy with IntelliCode. And what it's about, if there's a little movie in here, if you start a movie, let's turn this back to there and make it full screen. There you can see there's a conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and he's refactoring this and doing it again. This time the other way around. And now some magic is happening in the background. Fish Studio will provide with some suggestions on IntelliCode to do some more refactoring over there, because there's some more temperature changes that can be refactored into the function F2C, Fahrenheit to Celsius. And the other one Another suggestion to move this into Fahrenheit to Celsius again. So we're going to try this today and see if that's actually working. But to do this, I first need to update the Visual Studio Code. No, not Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio. I opened it up, it's already in here. 16.3.0 Preview 3 is available. Few details. So we're starting this from scratch. I have no clue if it's actually working. Let's update this. And in the meantime, I will not sure if this will take very long, but let's not wait for that yet. In the meantime, we go back to the Office development, open the command window and go to the project directory, projects. Last time we had a clean React app. What I want to do is put some routing in there, and see if it still works. Let's get into the directory. It's a little bit out of scope. Code, no, cd clean React app and code dot there we are. Let's start this. npm start. This should open a local host at port 3000, and it should be able to be recognized by the Word application. C# Fritz is also live. Did it run yet? Don't think so. Localhost 3000. I don't think it's working because I don't see any progress in the... there you have it. Why is this not working? Yes. Start. Somehow I get a lockdown. Is it just too slow? Where is this number one here? Settings. I don't know. Oh, it's very slow. probably because Studio is installing in the background. Website is still loading. What's this? You're currently using a type that's not officially supported by type ES3. You may find it to work fine, or you may not. Supported. Between 3.2.1 and 3.6.0. So, interesting. My guess is that I got this one through Fish Studio. Like this. Let's see if the website is up and running. Still not. There it goes. There you have it. Now let's see if it's also working in Word. And as I don't have a button in there, I just need to add it all over again. That's the other thing I want to change today, and it's by providing a button in the manuscript file. For now, insert and go to the developer tab. Oh, maybe someone should mention that I should share my screen. Doesn't matter, there was not much to see there yet. The only thing I did was restarting the Clean React app and showing that it was loading in the website. And now I'm going to load it in Word. Add-ins. From the shared folder, React boilerplate, add. There you have it, same thing as the website. So if I change the item over here in app tsx and make this a question mark and exclamation, save it, it's recompiling. Also, what I need to do is go to YouTube and go to my live stream. Let's do this in a different browser. YouTube. And go to live events. This is the current session. Let's kill the sound. Let's share this. Embed. Copy the embed code. No. Copy. Go to the website. And add this in here. That's not correct. Save this. Yeah. Okay, now we have a live session. Oh, my YouTube thumbnail is a little bit outdated. I don't mind. Excuse me. kill this. Where are we? And actually got the updated text in here. So let's see if it's not yet. We don't have an updated Fish Studio install at this time. Still waiting for that. So in the meantime, let's look at the routing. Go to the Pluralsight project. Code. To add some routing to the React component stuff, we need to put some things in here, like the router DOM. Copy. Well, we can just say something like this is the cleanup, yeah. So kill the website. And let's see if it's a dependency on the development side. No, it's just a common development dependency. So kill this. npm install what was it? React router DOM. React router DOM. Do we need more? What's our Flux? React router. Flux will be put in later. This is okay. So next we probably will need to update one of the starter pages, this one. Router is not yet known because it's still installing. There you have it. And we need to put it in. That is import browser router. As router from React router DOM. Now it's recognized, at least. Put some stuff in here. We are going to change the path. Obviously we first need something like an about page that we have over here. So we create another page in here, another file, about.tsx. Import React. What's this? Show fixes. Okay. Yeah, it's not yet used. Smart. Let's copy the about page. Copy. Let's see. It should be okay, I think. Then we need to probably need to put a header in as well. Put it all in the same folder for now. Header TSX. Copy. React routed on. That's not correct because it's TypeScript in this case. As check. Some nav link. Google. Nav link. TypeScript. Nav link. Oh, it's just not used, I think. Yeah, I first need to install it. Most likely. Same here. npm install. Still a little bit of cold in my throat. How is my Fish Studio going? Still installing. Now it's there. Could not find the declaration file module React routed on. The C data clean up node modules. I'm not sure if that's because of no change. Header. Quickly see package.json. Router. Any updates? No, latest. All the latest. Nice, yeah. Bring in the header. We already have the header, but we need to put the header somewhere, like in here. Where's my app function? There's a class in here. Return. The diff around it. My header. Import my header as header, I think. Header from header like this, maybe. What's this? No. And that's because it's not. Oh, it is. So there's a little difference between my header as my header headers. No. So how does it look like in a TSX? Let me check. TypeScript. Good. There's nothing in here. React component, TypeScript, this? Oh, maybe. Times React. Where's the import? Is it not used? No. Function component. Class components, a little bit different. So in this case, let's see here. We have the header, it's a class, I think, no function. Function components. Card. Function component. Is that like function component? Yeah. From React. Card properties. I don't have properties in this case, in my case. Const. Aside, what's the aside in here? Okay. What's aside in this case? Two. Let's check. Header, what's his header? const header. Oh no. Header. Function component.
Shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one.
Something like this.
There's nothing wrong on the horizon, but I'm always in my own head. I was getting tired of trying, forgetting every word that I said in all those old conversations. Turn into a melody.
Import nav link TypeScript.
I like my beat with some soul. I like my girl with some heart. I only love with my whole. I don't know how to give part. I don't know how we gon' finish, but I love how we done start. So let's take a night to just be who we are. So I ain't got the time or the energy, unless it's towards a goal or a memory. And to be doing things that I don't really love. Only light I had was coming from the sun. But now I'm shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling,
Looks okay by me.
I'ma do it anyway.
So why is it? Could not find a declaration file. React routed on.
It's gonna be a bright one here.
Is this to be deleted? App.
No, I keep it 100 every time I come in trouble. No, we coming with the right ones, yeah.
And what's the
Can't play, get a bag on you. Never with the games, put a tag on you. I ain't getting
class kind of thing?
hit me up. I said it's
Export class.
no, it's too nice. No ops, no lights, new heights to me. Never hit before, and I'm feeling too white. Gotta roll
Export
like a road
class.
dog.
Extends component.
You already know I can make your life a push start, press go. Say we're off to a good start, let's smoke. Blew the brains off the coupe, baby, explode. Shining on a cloudy day,
Like this.
and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway.
So this one is not working. Header. That's solving now. That looks okay. Header. No, the header, this one is still going wrong. Welcome to the chat room. What I try to do is put some navigation, some routing into my TypeScript thingy, but it's not recognized for some reason. Let me first start npm start. Thanks for the follow. Oh, Pixelogic Dev, thanks for the raid. Thank you. You're welcome. What I'm trying to build is some Office add-ins based on React and Office.js. But I'm also wanting to try to update my Visual Studio and get the latest versions to look at an update where the IntelliSense should be, let me check. Well, thanks. Thank you, Pixelogic Dev, for the follow. I'm updating Visual Studio installer with the latest version of Visual Studio, the preview version, because I had this tweet from Mark Wilson. Let me see if I can find the link again. Let's bring this one up. I had a mention from Mark Wilson Thomas on my response, refactoring made easy with IntelliCode, and this was pointing to his site, his blog post, where he explained that IntelliSense is now a little bit smarter and helping you with the refactoring. So in the background I'm now waiting for the update for Visual Studio to the 2019 16.3 Preview 3. Can you imagine, like versioning these names? Visual Studio 2019 version 16.3 Preview 3. And this contains a special option, C# IntelliCode Refactorings enabled. And if you install this, it will help you recognize points of things that you want to refactor in your code. So for that reason, I'm now waiting to get this item installed. Where is it? It's almost there, 95%. In the meantime, I'm continuing my developing the Office add-in that I'm working on. And basically what you see is it's an Office add-in. If you have a website with a manifest that's pointing to a manifest file inside, it will be able to host it in Word. Let me check which one it was. This one. Yeah, this saying is showing an error. For some reason my nav link is not recognized from the React router. But my guess it's because it's TypeScript related. It's a little bit different. Welcome everyone in the chat room. A lot of responses. Wow, thanks. Raw Set Beards, Dynamic Donkey, Lil Kaza. Wow. Your Dutch accent is so soft. Yeah, I have a terrible accent, I know. Try doing that, living in the Netherlands and doing things in English. So what's your show, Dev Pixel, Pixelogic Dev? What's your channel? I need to probably try to find it and follow it back if I'm not already following. So let's find out why this is not recognized. This is kind of strange. I'm English, but I live in Amsterdam. Sounds lovely. I think it sounds terrible, to be honest. Oh, there it was. So what's the problem in here? Oh, I'm missing the TypeScript part of this. Yes. So we need to go into this one. I need to insert types, React, router, DOM. what's available in here. Oops. That should contain a semicolon. Get me the latest version. Come on. Yeah, there you have it. 4.3.5. Maybe now it's resolving better. Header. Still not. I need to install it. Kill the item. No, not Belgium. Don't let him hear. Because I think Belgian people hate Dutch people. Because Dutch people are way too loud. If his studio is ready. Okay. Let's first go to the thing that I was working on. Terminate this one. npm install. At least you'll know. I'm learning JavaScript, TypeScript because I'm basically a .NET developer. I'm more or less a specialist in Office development for Visual Studio Tools for Office. That's basically the FAT client, the FAT.NET client. But the new Office add-ins are based on Office.js, JavaScript, and React for matching UI Fabric. And so that's for me it's completely different. So I'm learning the web stack, so to say. Start. Still saying that it's not right for some reason. Will it work? Ta-da! Really slow. Yes, it's working, and we have some items over here. Let's see if it's also available in Word. Reload it. There you have it. Let's check if my about page is running. No, probably not. Is it working over here? No. Because I don't have my about page in place, I think, yet. This one. So I need to update that as well. But I want to go back to the blog post, to the tweet. Where is it? I lost my tweet. Probably behind this. Yes, this. Let's split that. So, go back to here. Let's minimize all of this. Where's Visual Studio? There. Completed. So let's quickly close all of these items. So we're doing the next thing. This can go, this can go, this can go, this can go, this one can go, this one can go, and close Word for now. Don't save. That's a project we're going to continue after this. So what do we have here? Refactoring made easy with IntelliCode. You found the refactoring, blah blah blah. You need version 16.3, preview 3. Incredible, crazy version. (16.3.0) preview 3.0. So that's okay. Now we need to set the option. Let's see here. Try it now. Refactoring preview is a preview feature of IntelliCode, so when you get Visual Studio 20, you'll be off by default. Go into Tools option page. Tools option page. Tools options. Yeah, that's pretty cool. IntelliCode or Sense? IntelliCode. General. Which one is this? Refactorings. Refactorings, this one. Default. Enabled. So I wonder what is default. Default is off then? What do you think? I don't know. In my case, I would expect it to be default is on, but yeah, I'm not sure what they think. So, let me open the page in the VM because it's jumping up and down, it's crazy. And now I need to take this from the video because it's not provided in code, I think. There's no code reference, so we need to do this completely from scratch. Yeah, so let's create a console window, new project, console. I suppose just a .NET Core app. Console. It is the one on top, so refactoring, save, create it. Let's see if we can get a simple main thing there. Let's see if we can get this side by side. It's hard to read. Oh. My VM is terribly slow today. I'm not sure what it is. It's a busy season on Azure, I think. Okay, let's put this to the side. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's go now the namespace. We can keep this the same. The main item. In this case, we do list double. My typing is terrible. ftemps equals to new list double. Oh, I don't show if I all need all of this. And this will be the Celsius temps, I think. Okay, let's put in the generic. Yeah. For each string as in args. Oops. If string not is no 0, not is null. If is length, I don't think this is needed anymore. Length is bigger than 0, because I should say something like the Elvis operator. Don't you agree? And s substring is length minus 1 equals to Fahrenheit. Oh. One too many. I think I missed something. To do length 0, a substring s length minus 1, that's a terminator over there, equals, there you have it. In that case, string temp f string equals to s substring zero s length minus 1, and my spelling is not right. Double temp f equals to system.convert to double temp f string. I'm not going to do this all because we only need some sample thingies. Temps dot add temp f, and you're not waiting to see me type. Console right line temp. This is the one that's all about. Minus 32 times, this is the Fahrenheit calculation, 5.0 by 9.0, something like this. So this is the Fahrenheit. And it will be the same thing. With C Celsius. Copy this. Let's quickly check. This should probably be Celsius. And then C string, C string, C string, C, C, and the calculation is the other way around. Let's go through this, play this. is it not running? Yeah. There you go. Stop. Temp C is, that's the other way around. Temp C times plus 32, and this is probably also a little bit turned around. Oh, 9 divided by 5. Yeah, see, it's the other way around. What's this? Already changed, suggested an edit. Okay, let's do that. Don't do that yet. So we have Fahrenheit, Celsius, and then we have something else. Oh. Next time they need to provide the code, because it's taking a lot of time just writing code. If f temps count what is 0, console write line in temp in C f temps. My phone is ringing, but I'm not going to answer it. It's showing some stuff here. Min temp in C, max temp in C. That's interesting because this is showing the other way around. Min temp in C, max temp in C, and average time temp in C, average temp in C. And do the same thing for the Celsius items. C. Could use some help in refactoring this as well. What's going to do there? Console write line all the Celsius formulas. Lay 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Well, another IntelliCode Refactoring suggestion. Suggest edit console write line. Okay. Let's put the last parts in. Let's make this generate. Yeah. Generate this one. Yeah. And the other one, this one. This can go away. Minimum temp in C. Minimum temp in C. Oh, I need to change this as well. F. I will put all of this in a gist after this is complete, because then you can reference this from the blog site, so you don't need to type it all over again next time. Control dot brings in the generate function. In the sample they remove the private. So just stick with the code that's in the sample. My OCD needs this. Maybe I don't have the format on save, I think. Let me see the implementation. Minimum temp in C. Minimum temp in C, that's this one. Double F min equals to F temps element at double 0 semicolon using link for each double F F in F temps if F smaller than F minimum. It's doing some sorting or something. F min equals F. Implementation can be gone. Let's show all the other things. Max temp in C is almost the same. Copy. F max. F temps element double 0 for each. Then we take the max. And max is F. F is smaller than max. Return F max minus 32. A lot of work for just a small demo. Times 5.0 divided by 9.0. It's not a bool, it's double. This should be a double. This should be a double. All doubles. Oops. C max. Max temp in C, max temp in F. Max temp in F, where's my max temp in F? Here. Copy. I assume this is almost the same. Double Cmax. Cmax. Yeah, should do this easier. Max temp in F. This one. Cmax, C temps. C temps and C temps, and this one is F max. F max. Oh, yeah, we do the max in temp F, so this should all be C max, but this is C max times 9 divided by 5. Extra plus 32. Cmax 9, 5 plus 32. Yeah. And that's the same as the minus over there. Like this. Minus. Let's check. Let's play. Max temp in C, do we all have that? Max temp in C, F max, F temps, returns F max minus 32, 5, 9, yes. This one, a little bit back. Max temp in F. That's this one. C max, C temps, C max 9 divided by 5. Plus 32, yeah. Minus temp in F. Do we have that yet? Nope. Average temp in C. Average temp in C. Come on. It's just for the demo. Double F total equals to 0. Double F average equals to, no, there's nothing, it's not initialized. For each double F in F temps. Thanks for the follow. you, Mitch, for following. That's actually my son, I'm afraid. So he's cheating. They probably want me to come eat. F average equals to F total divided by F temps, dot count, returning F to C F average, and that's not right because this is the one that we want to change. We're going to fake something like that. Average temp in F, average temp in C, this, copy this. Average temp in F, where's the, here. That will be C total, C average, C temps, C total, C average, C total, C temps, and this will be. What I'm doing is preparing my demo code because of the blog post that will show a demo the change in the new Visual Studio version Preview 3 that should make it your refactoring a lot easier. To be honest, it would be nice if they just had added the code with this, so I didn't have to put it in my manually. 5.0. So I will put this code on gist after the session. So if you want to try it yourself, then you don't need to do that manually on your own. Just can copy mine. Why is that? Yeah, this method name. Oh, I'm missing the multiplier. Let's see, because this one is probably the other way around. Where is it? This one. F average, just fake this one. Probably you'll see it in the video. Let's see. Max temp in C. Max temp in C. That's one. This still returns something different. Let's just fake it. I don't feel like changing the function there. Max temp. Which one is this? C max. This is probably F min. Double. So the next thing is that we also need a static files with the function in there. F2C. So it should have a static double F2C. Double in return something like this. Let's see. Return. Oh, in is not allowed. In temp. Copy. Yeah, it was a reserved word. Nice. Also the other one. As an Fmax to C. The other one. Suggested edit for the other one. F2C, so that should return -35. It's the same. Okay. Oh, I have to C to F. Let's check. F returning to C is to Celsius. F to C. This is F to C. It's the same as this one, so that's not right. Yeah, it is. F to C, something like this. F to C, that should match this one. Is that right? Let me check this one. C returns it in Fahrenheit. C to F. Oh. C to F. Something like that. This one is right. So the other one should be turned around. times 95 plus 32 like this. This is right. So I think I'm complete now. Can I build it? I think it was built. Let me see the output. Where's my output? View output. Yeah, it was built. So what does it need? Okay. So now, according to the video, if you're going to change this to F2C, it should recognize the other parts. Let's watch this again. First we change the first item, F2C, and only parameter. And we take another one, min temp in C. F2C. Now you get two items suggested by refactoring. Yeah.
And all I'm thinking about is what you do when a hurt can't stop. Just thinking about all the things you said that weren't true, and I know what it feels like when you say only I make you.
Okay, let's first see F2C is like this. -32, F2C. So all the Fahrenheit to C is -32. So I have all the same like this. It's like this. C to F, copy. C to F is like this. Yes, that's correct. C to F. That's correct. The last one, C to F. That's not correct. It should be -32. 5, 9. Then C to F. Let's check if that's correct. C to F. That's correct. C to F, that's correct. Last one, C to F, and that's correct as well. So now we have some code that we could refactor. So in this case, when we change let's see, this is plus 32, that's the one, that's the F to C. So if I change this to F to C and do this, and go to, for instance, this, F to C, that's the plus 32. So if I also change this one, F to C, okay, yeah. Now let's see if it's finding some other optimizations, like this one. Now we get a light bulb, quick actions. This is not what I want. Remove unnecessary parentheses. Let's do that first. Save. What's this? Come on. So if I now change this to Fahrenheit to Celsius, are there any more? It's actually not showing it. So great. All the typing for nothing. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just turn this all back. Because what I probably did not do was following the instructions, because what it said today was once you change the setting, close any files you may open, then restart Visual Studio. And that's what I did not do. Save, close this. Now let's reopen Visual Studio. Open recent, console refactoring, yes. Let's have a look at, in the meantime, twitch.tv dev Pixel Logic Dev. Sorry, unless you got a time machine, that content is not available. Yeah, Pixel Logic Dev. Pixel Logic Dev, yes. Oh, he's hosting me today. Thanks for that. Boom. Am I following? Follow. Oh, okay. Because I'm on my VM. I will follow later. I probably already follow. So thanks Pixel Logic Dev for the follow and for the host. So everyone else, look up his site. Let's get back to the console. Oh, now we have this little thingy in there. What's this? Yeah, convert for. No, I'm not going to do that. What I want to do is go over my application and think that this one, minus 32, let's check. That's the C to F item. Convert this one. Convert C to F. And do something like this. Yeah. Save. And also pick one of these ones, C to F, save. Now let's check what's going to do with this one. We do get this one, and that's not what I want. So apparently it's not working for me yet. Do I need to build it? Build succeeded. This is F to C. Let's check if we already get one of these. Bulb. No. No. C to F. So far it's not helping me at all. No. So let's undo all of this and slowly see if my code is correct. Compared to the demo. So run this one on a different monitor. Copy. already there. Let's check my code in here. System link, system collections link text is not used. It did using oh, is that the reason? Using static refactorings dot temperature conversions. And add a file in here. Add new item. Temperature conversions. Temperature conversions. Yeah. And it should have the namespace. Static. This should contain the items over here. Let's pull this out. Put this in here. Build. That succeeded. Save. Let's see. Oops. So let's name this refactorings. Refactorings, copy refactorings, put it in here as well. Build. Output. Yeah. So now we have almost the same program. Put this lower. Namespace. Refactoring class program. Static void main string arguments. List double ftemps. String is in args. Quickly check the conversions. C to F should be C to F. F to C is temp minus C to F. F to C. It's the other way around. let's check. F to C is minus, so this the other way around. To C, C to F. I wonder if this is correct. Minus 32, 5 divided by 9. And do this. Adding the unnecessary stuff in here. C to F. Yeah, F to C. Temp F, minus 32. So if there's F, then you should minus 32. F, 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 F. Here's the F, minus 32. Minus 32. Minus 32. That's correct. Save. Now I should have almost the same as the example. Let's check this. For each string, S is not null. S length bigger than 0. S substring. Yeah, I should do something like the alpha string. But anyway, S substring, S length minus 1, F string. This is correct. This is correct. Substring can be simplified, yeah, I know. But it's not in the sample, it's in the demo. Continue. F to C. Delete. I'm looking at the demo again. Then it's replacing it, and so what's going on there? Two warnings. But is he then compiling it, something like that? Let's show you. Excuse me. So what's going on here? He's changing this, and then now it says two warnings. So he's changing it on let's start from the top. He's first changing. No. Let's start from the top. First changing the top one. F to C. And then picking up the first minus temp in C. Now will you see that there are two warnings. Showing that the suggestions So let's try this again. In my. So what it did was F2C, then going back to the end.
Is there more to us than the words we say, the games we play? Can we
Del.
know that we're not dreaming? We have this feeling that we can't explain.
So why is this not recognized? Oh no, it's missing the
Love will find its way. I feel your
something like this.
presence, but I can't help but notice
Why is it not
that
working?
I'm missing where I need you most. I'm so cold inside,
It's inaccessible. Oh, okay.
but
Stupid.
I can't stop
So
this
turn it back.
fever.
Go back to this one, because now this one is private, public static. Wonder if I need to make this public static as well. I think so. Public. Save. Let's build this. Yeah, no issues found. Go back to here. Now, according to the demo, make this F2C. Then delete this. Why is there an error? Yeah, because we missed this one.
We make this more than a you want me and I want you, but can I swim across these seas?
And then go to the other one, F2C.
We're in this together.
And I'm changing the one, F2C, it's the -32.
We're in this together. We're in this together.
This one. By changing this to F2C. One more. Save. And I don't get any suggestions. At all. Intelligence only. Unused, yeah. Let's go over the video quickly. So far it's not doing what I expected to do. Let me check, where is the video? From scratch. Looking at the video. Compare it to the code. C-temp, F-temps, count 0. All the Celsius formulae. Yeah. Interesting, there's a bracket. Static main. Oh. Are you kidding me? class program static void. One line, 2, 3. Probably these other static ones should be 1, 2, 3, 4 for each. Maybe missing a bracket. There's the one now. So my main is outside this one. Second. Main. If count. Okay. This is not right. I think this should be indented like this. Shouldn't make any difference, I think. But it's demo code. Two and then static. One reference, yeah. Min temp PC. Min temp PC is the top one in the demo code. F minus, F temps, that's correct. Double minus, yeah. Then we have the minus to F sharp, not to F sharp, to Fahrenheit. F to C is the one they change. That would give the suggestion let's see if I can find the code. Refactor previous, so you get it will be off by default. Fit tools option, I did that. If I'm not tools options, IntelliCode Refactoring is enabled. C# IntelliCode Refactorings enabled. Let's see if we can find the source code. Refactorings. I think this is the same. Oh. This is the documentation behind it, I think. Sorry. As shown in the video, the opportunities to apply refactoring. Yeah. Should I need maybe all the other items as well? Enabled, enabled, enabled. Check. C# argument completion. Enabled. 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 And the last one enabled as well. Save. Let's save everything. Reclose. Then reopen. Open recent, this one. Let's check Google. Create gist from project Visual Studio. Gist. Gist manager. Okay. Tools. Gist. Send to gist. Gister. This one is used the most, I think. Well, let's check that later. In the meantime, I opened it. Sorry. Now I go in here. Oh, it's already changed. F2C. F2C is this one. F. Temp F. Save this. Cannot. Oh, yeah. So. F to C. Yeah, copy. Average. So now let's check this. Why is this grayed out? Because it's not used. So what if I do F to C? Oh. Should it be temperature conversions maybe? F to C?
Just give me one chance, one dance. I fought off my anxiety to walk up to your body.
So there'd be an extension class. Extension methods. Public static class my extensions. That's what I have, I think. Public static class. My extensions. Using extension methods. Let's see if I can Google this somehow. Temperature converter. Refactorings, temperature conversions. Yeah. Public static class my extensions. This is kind of strange using Extension methods. Oh, using this is not correct, I think. Is it?
Tell me where I belong. I've been searching all night. Walking these streets, it's a maze at midnight.
Yeah, it is.
Been talking to you, yet those days have gone by. I gave you a chance to
Using static refactoring.
I'm a blank canvas you can paint. Draw yourself a future with me. It's a mystery what awaits. Oh, it's a miracle life. It's a miracle day. It's a miracle day.
This is the one. Public static class temperature converter. Converting a string. Oh, okay. Class test. Temperature converter. This is not a static members. Okay, it looks like it's not going to work. I will do some more testing on this and see if I can make this to work. Temperature conversions F2C. So it's like F2C. Another one like this. And we have this one. It's not showing. If I do this, temperature conversions, copy like this. Have to see. Build. Actually, it's not showing. It's showing me nothing like that. No. Okay, so it's not working as far as I've seen this so far. Let's finish the show for today. Thanks for following the Pixel Logic Dev and Mitch 2412. Great follow. Go back to the main picture. So what we tried to do today was checking the what's it called? Test for Studio Refactoring made easy with IntelliCode, and I did not get it to work. So it might be my preview version that's maybe not working. I'm not sure. I need to do some more testing. But for today, let's end the show, and I see you next stream, probably next Monday in the afternoon, or maybe sooner. Well, you never know. If you follow my channel, then you get notifications and you see it obviously. For now, let's thank everyone for the follow and see you watching the show, and see you next time. Office development, Fish Studio, and more like this. Thank you. Bye bye.